Hey guys, Evan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize layers inside Affinity Photo. So for example, let's say we want to resize this moon image here. What we can do is go to the left-hand side. On our toolbar, we want to select this move tool, or alternatively, we could press V. And what we can do is we can go to our layers by clicking on the layers tab on the right hand side and clicking on the layer that we want to select. So let's select this layer, for example. And now you can see we have a bordering box and dots on each side and corner of this bordering box. So what we can do is grab one of these dots here. And if we click down and move around, we can resize our image by moving our cursor around. So we can make it smaller by moving it up to the left, or we can make it larger by moving it down to the right. Same goes for any other side. If we want to select this side, we can do this. So we can kind of squish the image by pulling to the right, or we can make it wider by pulling to the left. I'm just going to resize this image so that it kind of looks like a moon, like so. If we want to move our background image around, we can select the background image layer, and we can also just click down and drag this to position wherever we want. We can also resize this by grabbing one of the points, moving it down to the left, move it up a little bit. That looks pretty good. Now, if you want to resize your entire document, what you can do is click on the document tab at the top and click on where it says Resize Document. So maybe instead of 1080 by 720, we can say 1920 by 1280. And now all of our layers are resized to be bigger. And of course we can do the opposite. So if we go back to Resize Document, we can change this to 720 by 480, click on Resize. And now all of our layers are much smaller. And one last tip, if you want to go back up to document, you can click on Resize Canvas. And let's say we want to change this to 1080 by 720. We can go ahead and click on Resize. And now we have a much bigger canvas to work with. So if we select all of our layers here, we can move this down and we can drag this point here and we can resize this to match our canvas size like so. Anyway, that is how you can resize layers in Affinity Photo. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, but that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.